Today, I will talk about the GRIS Philippines Initiative. Ang GRIS PH Philippines Initiative is a multi-agency-led project led by the UST FIVOX. It started way back 2018 and is now institutionalized in FIVOX. No? So, the vision of the project is to be the central source of information, no? To provide po the assessment, no, mga accurate assessment sa ating taong bayan, and also for the people, no, for the public to see and to view itong mga information or data na kinontribute ng mga agencies natin. Ayan. So, nagko-contribute po ang initiative sa CIS project by providing po yung platforms or tools na makakatulong po, no, to number one, collect data on the ground. Yun po yung ginagamit natin ay si GeoMapper PH. And then, we also provide a tool for analytics. Ang tawag po sa kanya ay GeoAnalytics PH. You can visit it online. And we also have a tool for hazard assessment, no? So, it can generate a multi-hazard assessment report. Yun po ay yung Hazard Hunter PH na pwede nyo rin pong i-check online. And lastly, yung pinakabago po namin na application is yung PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild. It's a platform, no? It's a tool to auto-generate rehab and recovery plans. Para sa ating farmers and fisher folks, ito pong mga platform po na aming pinoprovide is very user-friendly. So, hindi po kayo kailangan GIS expert or very techy na person to access them and to navigate them, no? And also, importantly, no, I think makakatulong po sa kanila yung paggamit ng Hazard Hunter PH. No, maganda po na alam po ng ating fisher folks and mga farmers kung nasaan po yung hazard, no, sa kanilang lugar. So, yung mga applications po na ito is free, no? Wala pong kailangang bayaran, and also some of them are publicly accessible. It is for everyone. So, doesn't matter if you're a GIS specialist that is doing mapping or just a citizen, no, wanting to buy a property. So, it takes to know, no, to know your hazard in your area.